So earlier this month, Samsung investors cheered on as it delivered positive earnings guidance. Now, it's time for the company to release the actual earnings. So joining us to talk about all things Samsung is Roger Chang, executive editor at CNET. Roger, great to speak with you today.
Thanks for having me.
So what is Samsung doing right? Where are the bright spots for this company?
Well, the bright spots are unfortunately not in its phone business. It's easy to forget Samsung has a very diversified business, and they're making most of their money off components, chips, memory, displays that they actually sell to other companies. So, for example, Apple is a big customer. So when Apple has a good quarter, Samsung does too.
Yeah, and I'm glad you just brought up Apple because they certainly seem to be frenemies. And Apple is always front and center when it comes to also to the rivalry part of this. How is Samsung doing in relation to Apple?
It's a tough slog right now. Like I said, the smartphone business is still struggling. You know, the Galaxy S6 was a big flagship phone for the year. That's been a disappointment. We'll still see how the Galaxy Note 5 and the Galaxy S6 Edge Plus is done. But you know, iPhones have continued to sell really well. The new iPhone 6s will get better numbers soon, but it's going to be tough for Samsung to compete against that.
Yeah, let's talk about low-cost manufacturers. What kind of threat, I should say, are those posing for Samsung?
Yeah, as much as Samsung is struggling in the high end, I think they've got even more troubles down the low end, the affordable market. You've got companies like Xiaomi and Huawei. These are Chinese vendors who are able to put out phones at a much cheaper price that have really attracted and taken share away from Samsung, and that's where they're feeling the hurt right now.
Yeah, and what can Samsung improve upon?
What Samsung can improve upon, focus on the high-end phones. I think slimming down their product portfolio is a big key. For a long time, they had a bloated family of products. They just had every phone for anybody, and getting down to the basics and focusing on a few key products is one way that Samsung can resurrect or turn the ship around.
Great. Well, Roger Chang, thanks for joining us. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.